Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be a very glam but soft look. This is going to be for the summertime. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's going to be all like bronzy and dewy, and I'm so excited to use some stuff that are new to me. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe and let's begin. So I just want to mention that I got a package from Merit and I'm going to use most of the stuff that they send them to me, and I'm just going to show you quickly what they send me. They send me 3 items. I already have some other stuff from them which I really like and enjoy using. I'm going to use their perfecting stick. This is in the shade Amber, so I'm going to be contouring and bronzing with this stick. They have a bunch of shades, so you can use it as a concealer, foundation, or you can use it as a contouring stick and bronzing stick. And I got a tinted lip oil, and this is in the shade Natural, I think. Yep. The last thing they sent me is the highlighter stick, and this is called Day Glow, and this is in the shade Cava. I was really eyeing on this at Sephora, but when I went to get it during the VIB sale, they were out of stock, and I just cannot wait to use this stick. So let's jump into this summer glowy, dewy, bronzy makeup look. So I already applied my moisturizer, and this is the Shiseido. This is the Sun Protection Lotion SPF 50 plus. I always use SPF before my makeup, and then I'm gonna let it sit, and I'm gonna start with my eyes today. So I'm just gonna prime quickly, and I use a concealer. This is the Shape Tape concealer, and I don't do a lot of this because it's very, very pigmented. And today's eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona palette. This called Peak eyeshadow palette. I really like the theme of this palette. It's so summery. You have a beautiful bronzy shade right here. You get a nice crease shades and also something to set your lid with. So I'm gonna start with this white shade right here. Just gonna make sure that the concealer is set before I blend in my crease shades. Next, I'm going to be using this beautiful shade right here. It's like a little bit of a pink with brown undertone to it. It's really, really nice. And I'm just going to apply this one in the outer corner and then bring it forward. And slowly I will take it to the crease. Here. And take it up. And whatever's left on the brush, it's like pretty much clean. I'm gonna blend all the way up because I have so much space between my eyebrows and my crease. So I like to take it up there as well. And with the same brush, I'm going to take this orange shade right here. And very lightly, I'm gonna go over that first shade that we applied, just very lightly, just to warm it up a little bit more. And now I'm gonna take a clean brush and I'm just going to blend the edges. Blend shade right here. I'm gonna take it all over the lid. It is such a gorgeous shade for the summer. And I'm just gonna put it all over the lid. I'm not gonna be precise with this. Such a beautiful shade. It's very, very pigmented as well. And there's no fallout, so it's really, really nice. I had lashes last night, so I had some glue left over on my lashes, so that's why you can see the gold shade is like stuck to my lashes. I'm gonna apply some mascara. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. It's really a favorite of mine. I'm just gonna apply a coat of mascara. Apply some lashes, and today's lashes are gonna be the Lily lashes. These are the luxury synthetic line. This is in the style Elite, and these are the lashes. I really like them, and they're more affordable than other lashes from Lily Lashes. So these are like $22, I think. And I think I got them on sale for 16 bucks from Shoppers, so I was really excited. So I'm going to apply them and I will be back. Okay, for a primer, I'm going to be using the Glowish by Huda Beauty. This is in the shade 03 Light. It just reminds me of the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. It's really, really pretty. It gives you a beautiful glow. So I'm going to apply it all over my face here with my fingers. And I do feel like it gives me coverage as well, so I don't really use a lot of foundation with this. And I take it all the way under my eyes as well. Super, super pretty. Take it down my neck. And it's long wearing for me. I really like how it looks at the end of the day on my face. And I've actually worn it before with just a little bit of concealer. I really like the finish of this. So, so pretty. I really like it. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of foundation, not too much. I'm gonna use the Shiseido Future Solution LX, and this is in the shade Rose number 2. This is a Total Radiance foundation. I really like this one for my everyday use. It doesn't have a lot of coverage. I would say maybe light to medium coverage. You can build it up, and it comes in a pot. So many people don't like this, but I love the finish of this foundation. The shade is probably not my shade, so I'm just gonna take this much on the back of my hand. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this Indeed Nano Bronze Bronzing Drops from Indeed Beauty. They sell lots of skincare products at Shoppers, and this is just a bronzing drops. I really like it. I'm gonna take just maybe a small drop right there, just to kind of give me a little bit more of a darker look to my face. So it's right here, just like that. So I'm not gonna go crazy with the coverage, just where I need it. Okay. I feel like when I apply the Huda Beauty, the Glowish product, I really don't need a lot of foundation. It evens out my skin tone. It gives you beautiful light coverage and also a little bit of color. Before concealer, I'm going to use the Minimalist, the Perfecting Complexion Stick from Merit Beauty. This is in the shade Amber, as I said. And I really like those because they blend so beautiful. So this is the shade. It's really, really pretty. It's not too warm, it's not too cool. And I'm just gonna bronze my skin. They glide so beautifully. I do have another shade, I can't remember the name, but I do use it to conceal. And they're just easy to use, they're quick, and they're clean as Sephora. I really like that. And I'm gonna use the same foundation brush. I'm just gonna blend it. I do like to use my bronzing stick or whatever cream you use before my concealer, and it's blending so easily. I take a little bit more right here, just on the cheeks. Stipple your brush. Do not rub too much, especially if you have a more of a fuller coverage foundation. I'm gonna take whatever's left on my neck. Okay, now I'm gonna use my concealer, and I'm just gonna use the same concealer that I used, which is the Tarte Shape Concealer. I'm gonna use light medium 29 neutral, just like that. I'm not gonna go crazy. And here and there, just to give me a little bit of light in the center of my face and to cover my dark circles as well. I'm gonna use this brush from Merit Beauty. This is, I think, their foundation brush. Now I'm going to use the Merit Glow Stick, and this is in the shade Cava. And this is the color. It's so gorgeous. It looks so wet on the skin. So this is the color. And I'm just going to take it with my finger, just on the highest points of my cheeks. I like to do this before any powder. You can see beautiful dew from this product, you guys. It's so gorgeous. So pretty. And for my blush today, I'm going to use the Wonder Beauty. This is the Double Date Lip and Cheek. I don't know what the color is, to be honest, but this is very beautiful. I will list it down below. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to take it. It's very vibrant as well. Oh my goodness, I think I put too much. I'm going to take my foundation brush and just make it settle. Now I'm going to set the face with a powder. I'm going to be using the One Size Turn Up the Base. This is in the shade Light number 2. I really like it. It's very soft and blurring, and it gives you a little bit of coverage as well, but it's very lightweight on the skin. It doesn't you know, crease or anything like that on my face, so I really like it. I'm going to use it with my beauty blender, the Power Pocket Puff, which is right here. I always keep it in this bag because I take it with me in my purse. It's very handy. And I'm going to take a little bit of this powder, and I'm just going to place it just under the eyes, just like that. Got a little bit on my forehead. I might go and get another powder from this line. Probably I will just get a lighter shade just to kind of give me that beautiful, you know, highlighted under eyes. I'm gonna set this area of my face. Now I'm gonna go back to the Peak palette from Natasha Denona, and I'm gonna take this shade right here just to smudge it underneath my lower lash line. I'm not going to do a lot, just a tiny bit. I'm going to apply the Merit Lengthening Mascara just to the bottom lashes. I really like this wand. It's very skinny. And it's just perfect lengthening mascara for the bottom lashes. And for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to use this Benefit highlighter. This is in the shade Cookie. I really like it. I love to use this one in my inner corners. Eyes pop when you apply this. It's so pretty. We're almost done. I'm going to move to my brows. I'm just going to brush them quickly. So I'm going to use this volumizing pomade. This is for your brows. This is in the shade Brown. I'm just going to brush my brows. It has a color and fibers in it, so it's like all like 2-in-1. And it's very soft brown color. I really like it. I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk 2 Medium just to line up my lips. I'm gonna apply this lipstick from Merit. This is in the shade Baby. I did pick up this lipstick during the VIB sale. I'm just gonna apply it just very lightly on my lips. They feel like a lip balm on my lips. I really like them. And then now I'm going to apply this Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. This is in the shade Au Naturel. It's really a pretty color for the summertime. It's gonna match with my eye shadow today. And they're so pigmented. Such a gorgeous shade. I really like it. It's pigmented, it's very glossy, and it feels like an oil on your lips. It's not like sliding and gliding. The last thing I'm going to do is set my face, and I'm gonna use the Glam Guard from Lawless. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the link down below if you want to shop anything from Merit Beauty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.